Hey, how you doing? Welcome. I am Lucy, and how are y'all doing today? Today we are going to eat some Birria tacos that my daughter bought me, and I said, let me go ahead and do a video because I'm trying to get these videos out to you. Thank you for joining. If you're new, please subscribe and become Purchase Cargo because we would love to have you, a part of our family, to join us along the way as we go about whatever we're gonna do. I forgot what I usually say, y'all. I'm just not coming back, and it's just like I'm trying to ride a bike again. But anyway, bear with me. It's all good. So if you're new, subscribe so that you become Precious Cargo. And if you're not new and you are already Precious Cargo, hello, how you doing? And I'm so glad that you are back with me. Thank you all so much for all of the support. I appreciate each and every one of you. We have some Birria tacos today, and I'm going to go ahead and get into that. Y'all know I had this juice the other day. I froze it because it was so good. And I thought they was going to drink it up. I took it out about 2 hours ago and set it on the counter just so it can thaw. And I was like, let me get to it. It got the lemon still in it. Let me some rice. Well, thank you for the food that I'm about to see. Making nourishment to our bodies. In your name, Jesus, I pray. Amen, amen, amen. All right, so this is what we have. How y'all doing? Y'all know I love my bell peppers and my onions. My bell peppers and my onions. And then we have the tacos. We got the tacos. Let me hold it right. Though I think it got soft a little bit. That's okay. I guess I do. I guess so. I don't even know. I used to did not like thumbnails. I had a thing for thumbnails. And now I'm just kind of like, I get the hang of how to make them a little bit. I'm getting a little better. So I'm kind of like, okay, they cool. They cool. They all right. Okay, so I'll sit that right there. And I'll sit this right here. The onions and peppers. And then I have the sauce. So I'm going to put in the sauce, I'm going to put my onions and peppers. That's the sauce. So what I do is I put my raw onions and peppers in it. With my raw onions. And then this is cilantro. Now when I say y'all this is so good. It's good. What did y'all have today? Today is a Monday. It's not Taco Tuesday. I could have said this for Taco Tuesday, but why? Why? You do what you want to do. Follow your own rules. That's enough in now. It's a whole new thumbnail about to happen. What's in the inside is chicken. Wait, I'm going to show y'all in a minute. What am I doing? Okay. Hey, y'all say, will you eat something? I'm about to. That's the chicken. Here you go. Here I go. Here I go. Somebody said you was looking for me. Here I go. Because I want it extra. Because I want it extra. Because I want it extra. Y'all want the first bite? Never good. That's an experience. I love a good experience with some food. We got these from, I think it's called Pollo Loco. A Pollo Loco. I'm not even gonna use the sour cream. Yeah, it's so good. I wish I could taste this. I'm gonna have to bite it from the back. This ain't never good. I'm gonna hurt myself. I'm gonna hurt myself. I don't like making no mess. But this is good. This lemonade is from Lemonade Junkies. It was $7. We got it from the food truck. I need some more onions. Y'all, I don't usually eat like this, but it's missed. I don't got no napkins, and I'm not about to pause. It's so good. What's so sad about how many of these police killings are happening? I was watching the news. I told my husband, I said, I can't keep up. I really can't keep up. Stay safe. Be mindful of the things that you do. Even if you're not doing anything wrong. Read up about your rights. Read up about where you get pulled over, things you should say and do, because you do have rights as a citizen. I just grabbed peppers and onions. Just grabbed peppers and onions out of there because I love them. This is that. That was good. That last bite. If I get up and get some napkins, clean my hands, they're gonna get right back. You eat your food the way you eat it. That's why I hit my record button. Cause it's my record button. And it's my food. I've never eaten this mess except for with crab legs, I think. I love onions and peppers. Did y'all watch the DMX tribute on BET yesterday? Rest in peace, DMX. Listen here, mine. I need the most cilantro. I'm gonna keep me some napkins over there. I just can't say nothing but oh. I'm eating all these onions and peppers. I'm for real. Yeah, I want some. Do y'all like anybody else out there like onions and peppers like this? Saute. Really. What I said right here. Oh, let me get my hot sauce. That's good on now. What's that? Who's that peeping in my window? You want a taco, Trey? It's a chicken taco. Aubrey, you want one? Aubrey just ate. She don't want them. We're gonna keep it simple. Sunshine just won't. She just won't let a video be great. She ain't in the mood to let the video be great. Videos ain't gonna be great. I don't know what you waiting for, but this is a Birria taco. I tried the pork, the beef. I said, let me just try the chicken. And it's on. And it's on. And it's on. And it's on. And it's on and it's on and it's on to the break of dawn. Get that, all them onions in now. All them onions and bell peppers and cilantro. She's fine. She's fine. She's fine. She's fine. She's fine. She's fine. Okay, Carmen, just come get in the video. Come here. They kicked her out the room. She was in there crying. Somebody bring her here. Y'all know I couldn't do a video without a child crying. That's too much like right now. That's selfish of me to think that this video is going to be about me. Bill, just hand it to me. I just put in the video. Just drop it right on over here. Want me to do your taco? Want me to do your chicken taco? That ain't gonna work. Come on, Sunshine. Y'all, just let this video be. Thank y'all for watching, and I appreciate it. I just try to do videos when I can. I have to take it back to the car. And go on. Why didn't you say thank you? So, on this taco, it had chicken and looked like mozzarella the white cheese. I put a little hot sauce and onions and cilantro. And it's just falling apart. You want a piece of chicken, Sunshine? Carmen. Chicken? Thank you. Excuse me. I gotta fix that timer now. I hope y'all enjoyed the video with all the kinks and the curves, but hey, it's organic. You can't say it ain't organic. The sauce is good. It's like you cook some roast and you took the juice off the roast and put it in a container and then put some onions and cilantro in it. If y'all get that, if it makes sense. Yeah. I was trying to get the basis of the sauce. I was trying to get like a, it's not like it's flavor, but it's flavored. I can't explain it. Y'all will probably never see me eat like this again. Look at my hands. My mama used to shoot like this. Mama, don't get me. And my used to be like, what is it? Is it? I mean, she would get it over in the ground, over there, and chew up. But you can't hear her unless you were sitting there so one loud. It was just like, how did she chew? How she chews. I saved you that last taco. Alright, y'all, I'm done. I hope you enjoyed. This was real messy. Hey, first time eating like that, but I don't like it. It feels icky. Until the next time I hit this record button with the window that separates us. I love you. I care about you. And there's nothing you can do about it. Sincerely, A Lucy, and I'm out. Until next time. See ya. Don't want to be ya. Oh my goodness.